Lì c'è chi sa la cara, ci sono le 10 ore, c'è sa.
Ok. Tak metu lah dan rimas.
I don't got no money on me.
Dia sebab apa Simon? Eh? Fam vin la pou domestic kasi ite store.
Mom, which one is it?
Eh?
Mom, we want to go.
Tap champe la, pa pal gade valiz ankor.
What bodies?
On pote do pal gade valiz
I
ankor.
said you, not me. Not these metal gray tail though.
They can't fuck with me. I'm scared. Oh no. Homie,
Hmm?
you playing?
Di ba gwen? Non kop tobe non?
I'm scared.
Wap tobe? Wap tobe nan? Let's go.
Stop.
Di pa ple paret, di pren devol al varet.
It's right there, university. Where? Right here. Homie, you ain't gonna see it.
What?
The university.
University what? Papi.
The university.
Hmm?
I want to see it. Can we go down there? Have you ever gone down there? before?
Andale.
Have you gone down there?
Hmm?
Have you gone down there?
Hurry up, hurry up. E mas sou ta fe? O som! No. What?
Nothing.
Avem nou ye? Nou met ta foun nou ta anraj. She gotta say
I
hi.
know, right?
Are you sick?
What's she doing down here? Work? Yeah, they shoot her. It's hot.
So sot fe ali men li ban fe?
It's hot. You know, actually, we can go.
No, we can't go.
O nan?
It's illegal. Yes, what are you taking?
It's all the college campus. Going down.
Wait, where we at?
You're the only one there. Everybody left you there.
Indeed I can. Today is Saturday. There's no plan.
I got a room.
Jim started there.
Time to stop embarrassing. It's Art of New York. It's the Art of New York. The Art of New York. What's that? Art of New York. What's that?
Arts.
Jim started there. When he put it that in.
You'll be quiet, be quiet. You'll be quiet, be quiet. You'll be quiet.
You make her stop, bro. You make her stop. It's embarrassing.
Quiet massage. Today la quiet no bala. Gade machine. What is what?
Where's your car again?
On the other side.
Oh. I'm still recording. Shut up. Bro, they're gonna bite your cross
She makes people sick. Oh, di ba siya kasi nung nalagi? We're gonna cross here. So that's mean don't go to me.
What?
Don't come next to me. I don't tell you to come next to me. That's a court.
Let me search him up. Search him up.
That's a court here.
They got the fountain.
Hmm?
They got the fountain.
What will ta pasilod bo?
But on the other side. Oh, you just see him digging his butt.
Huh?
You just saw him digging his butt.
No. No.